Okay. This needs to be fixed. What's happening is I'm using the remote control. And when you flare to a certain object, defensive structure, and the other defensive structures take out the one you flared, your flare stands strong, and your troops will go to the flare. Now, normally when you flare to a defensive structure and your troops take out that defensive structure, the flare is now void and they don't pay attention to it anymore. With the remote control, if the flare stands strong, now watch my troops. They're headed towards the flare. Now, I understand that you can reflare, but that's not how it should be. The flare should go away. I think this needs to be fixed. I think this is a bug. It's honestly a bug. So, I appreciate your time.